down. Queens, beautiful. Charlene. Listen, I got a lot to say. Usually my smile stay locked away, but not today. I have to laugh on the real, aftermath kinda ill like I'm Dr. Dre. Sometimes I run to the club and get faded. This game make you get jaded, I just hate it. But this song is a different kind of feeling. It's a new kind of dealing, it's a special kind of healing. And I can show what it is. Best flow in the biz, you know what it is. Positive over negative, see the ace of master. Even when I face disaster, I rise up above. See people still showing me love. Got the respect without dropping a check. This hip-hop thing might stop in a sec. So this brand new hit, you can pop in the deck. It's beautiful. So look inside yourself. Something you never felt.